Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. The Dini the Brave, and this be what celebrity what Yawa. What be the Yawa? You know, so when you come say music for Ghana year, where you come say hit upon hater, where they list artists, the musician, where them dead insider. You know what fit J name for inside. If you want Kwame Eugene Pep, the name go there inside. Kwame Eugene do Yawa big time. Yesterday, now Kwame Eugene they do live video for Facebook where he raised issue where it go on for the music industry inside. He raised the issue say the top artists where them day, where you know them did the music top no way them blow it, then they play them music for every radio station, every place, beer, club and things. You know. They know they help people where them they underground, where them today for go that level, no, they know they help them. Kwame Eugene the top plenty for that thing top, where plenty people started to share their mind for what Kwame Eugene talk no. So Kwame Eugene the talk no, where it take like one of him fan, he talk something for what Kwame Eugene talk no. Kwame Eugene can't curse nigga man. Spy the video.
Kwasiabi Alex Bravo was there and won't make a mention in name buying. God will punish you and your family for like 600 years poverty in Kwan. Kwasiabi Alex Bravo was there and won't make a mention in name buying. God will punish you and your family for like 600 years poverty in Kwan. Kwasiabi Alex Bravo was there and won't make a mention in name buying. God will punish you and your family for like 600 years poverty in Kwan.
You hear what Kwame Eugene talk? He killed the nigga man say 600 years where they come no. In the generation poverty will locate them everywhere they want them day. I see this video no, it bust my mind. When me I no go tap just dekeke. Where I go see this video where me Flamboyant Lifestyle I no go talk about him. I can't talk about what Kwame Eugene do no. First of all, you Kwame Eugene, God give you gifts. Where the gift will they give you no. If some bro hear your music survey, the person will be sadder. The person no feel leave that state inside through your music. Because music where we do with the tiano, it be very, very what? Spiritual. That be why if you some bro, you for not just tear any track be a because if you listen to music, it's either it add something to your life, or it's either it can't do something to your life. So if you tear music, if you know the music where you tear say, this music where I the tear no, it go help me. You know what I'm saying? You see the artist in them where you just tear the music, where the music you know they go on give you, but just say the artist need to talk something where you know you feel say you go put on the enchanted beat now. When you go to your way, it affects your life now. You don't be the artist in the way you do what you do. Kwame Eugene cares this guy. Where as he say, what Kwame Eugene do no, you know do am well. Because them be your fans. When what you talk no, you know be every bro where you go be 100% plus you. Because this word, no bro way there this word go fit be 100% plus you. Even though if you are the thing where you talk no, it be true thing power where you talk oh. But some bro will come up for some place come the come talk say this thing where you talk no, it be what? It be false. So you be artist if you be ready for everything be where it go happen. This thing where you talk no, you say you go far, later people they talk about him. Where the artists need to where them there the top there and then get years. So then go listen. You go lift you up. To get a hit song, you know be easy. If you go now where they make song they hit. When you get a song, with brother man there underground, where you dey breast say you don't go fit channel, you dey charge them amount where the person no go fit do. The person some artists be cry no get studios where they will go record music. They don't get any director. It be them now when they fall because they get the talent where they get the passion say it be this thing where they want do. And what God take it down, no, they to the one exhibit there. So if you be artist, where you did the top there where you know the helper, you be millet. You be mlewa because you know if you some bro where you help you make you rich, the level where you rich. Because we get plenty talent underground within the force. When one thing where they my mind besides say, then the fear say the people where they are underground, they will come overtake the machine. Even true, if you dare the music scene inside, where you know they give us song, you get his song, no music they pass. You get plenty songs where you come this word inside where you soca, but day in and day out, if you know they release new vibe, new energy, new things for the music inside, your music career will feed that. So if some rock come the game inside, where you get that vibe, you get all those things where you can put for the music inside, that person will go further than you. Doesn't mean say you know will shine. Every bro they shine on his own zone. If you not compete plus any bro for this world inside. So if you get the money, if you get the things where you go feel help people, help them. You don't help them to make you not put for your mind say they help human being. You don't do give what God. Because God say we could love one ourselves. You dey show that because if you spy the person in character, you spy the person the way they talk, the way they behave, and things, when you look down, you know go do. Because human being and Kasawi now with the ball. Some people will do you something make you bore. You know, you tap there where you think about the boring now. Your mind go blow, your mind go bust. If you human being what? In life. This be the matter where me flambo. I do my mind say, I can't talk you, then you will know what it go on for what? For Kwame Eugene in video what? Inside. If you go feel leave your comment, I talk. Leave your comment. Come on for the comment box inside. If you need I go social media, I go feel like then share all on the videos, you know. That be the something. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always do what? It works. Pow!
Yo. Too much GH nie. Ghana for. Ashe for. Etie for. Onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no. Subscribe wo. Na ehintasem. Ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so. Ena ye de bremu. One God nie. The only one God in GH. Eho ana de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH
too much GH me did akose Japan e prepare mbese me TV me hwe too much GH omo de mufu a hey omo sports and as entertainment hey omo de mufu mo koso show mo no ani ba gide bia me da ma say love you
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say Bomaden na hwe too much GH on se me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase epe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyame no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomaden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomaden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na ubenya ne yama papa a ope ahwe nyame shira na ura
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambuka ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too Much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetun afem the great ampo mbrenbren. Won me nka mo ne hwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire.